I'm telling you, man, it is better than Citizen Kane.
Are you Chainsawface? Better than
Seriously, it is the best movie ever made. You have to see it.
Oh, man.
Chainsawface!
Oh my god! You've seen it!
Yeah, it's better than Citizen Kane.
I know!
There's some sort of machine on his face.
That is his face! He hasn't seen it.
Oh. See you guys.
What are you?
2 tickets to Chainsawface.
Pardon me?
Can we get 2 tickets to Chainsawface, please?
Yeah, I don't think that's a movie.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what to tell you. There's no movie by that name playing here or anywhere.
But my friend was Well, I thought... Huh.